Well, now let's see where KTR is speaking to us.
Dr. Krishna Ella of Bharat Biotech. As we all know, this is an unprecedented time. These are uncharted waters for all of us, in fact, without an exception. So this is an exciting time also from the perspective of, just believing that every adversity has an inherent opportunity that lies within. And today Hyderabad and our life sciences ecosystem here is truly fortified its position, has really shown its strength to the world, not only from our pharmaceutical sector, but also from our biotechnology and vaccine manufacturing facilities in Hyderabad. I'm proud to share with you that Hyderabad continues to remain one of the leaders in vaccine manufacturing. We in fact today manufacture more than 1/3 vaccines that are used globally, and we also have in fact, like I pointed out, been home to pharma companies which have been producing the drugs such as Remdesivir, Favipiravir, etc., which have all been in use in the last few months. Delighted that Hyderabad's ecosystem, more particularly the 3 companies which are right here with us, are leading the vaccine race. There are more than 150 vaccines that are currently under development at various stages across the world. But within India, we have 6 companies that are in the race. And out of those 6, I'm proud to share with you, 4 of them actually are headquartered in Hyderabad, and 3 of them are sitting right here with us. So I'm here more to learn from them. I'm here more to understand from them, like every other layman out there in India and elsewhere, on what is happening in today's world and what is happening in the vaccine manufacturing and also other developments with respect to COVID and this pandemic. We'll get started, in fact, with Dr. Swaminathan. Did we lose her? Dr. Swaminathan, Soumya ji. We'll get started with you, ma'am. Ma'am, you'll have to unmute yourself. We'll get started with you.
Yes.
Yeah. Ma'am, just a quick, initial thoughts. A lot of data, a lot of research, a lot of articles. These days, with WhatsApp and, social media being all pervasive, everybody seems to know everything, but let me get it from the chief scientist of World Health Organization. How long do you think we have to learn to live with this? Because I think that realization has dawned upon all of us that we have to coexist with the virus for a bit. But how long do you think we have to live with this? How long do you think we have to coexist? How do you see the future panning out over the next few months at least?
Yes. No. Thank you very much, Minister. First of all, congratulations on organizing this program today. I think it's very timely, the discussion on vaccine.